Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. MTEN Fiberglass Paddle. The Selkerk Sport SLK Halo Raw Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle is a top-tier choice for players looking for a perfect blend of power, control, and durability. Designed in the USA, this paddle offers cutting-edge technology and craftsmanship, ensuring high-level performance on the court. One of the standout features of the SLK Halo paddle is its use of raw carbon fiber, which comes in 3 variations to suit different playing styles. The T700 raw carbon fiber power is designed for players who want explosive power and solid responsiveness. It offers a stiff yet lightweight feel, making it ideal for aggressive players who rely on fast, hard hits. For players who prioritize control and precision, the 18K UltraWeave control model is a fantastic choice. The UltraWeave construction provides a soft yet responsive surface, allowing for greater touch and control over the ball. This paddle excels at dinking, drops, and placements, making it perfect for players who favor a strategic and finesse-based game. The Kevlar Linkweave Thermoformed Pro version integrates advanced Kevlar technology to offer durability and increased stability. The thermoformed construction enhances the paddle's feel and consistency, making it a great all-around option for players seeking a balance between power and control. All 3 options feature Selkerk's commitment to quality and performance, with a lightweight design that reduces fatigue during long matches. The SLK Halo paddle is also ergonomically designed with a comfortable handle for a secure grip, further enhancing overall performance. Whether you're a power player or someone who focuses on control, the Selkerk Sport SLK Halo Raw Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle offers a tailored experience, making it a top contender for serious pickleball players looking for elite performance. Number 2. Selkirk Latitude. The pickleball paddle set with USAPA-approved fiberglass surface is a high-quality set designed for both beginners and experienced players, offering excellent performance on the court. This set includes everything you need to enjoy pickleball, featuring durable pickleball paddles and a selection of pickleballs, making it an ideal choice for recreational play, family games, or competitive matches. Each paddle in the set is crafted with a fiberglass surface, known for its lightweight yet sturdy build, providing a responsive and powerful performance. The fiberglass surface ensures optimal ball control, allowing players to execute precise shots while maintaining enough power for aggressive play. This makes it suitable for both men and women, with a versatile design that accommodates various playing styles. The paddles are also USAPA approved, which means they meet the official standards for competitive play, ensuring that players have access to professional-grade equipment. Whether you're competing in a tournament or just playing for fun, you can rely on these paddles for consistency and durability. The set typically includes 2 paddles, offering players a balanced feel, with ergonomic handles that ensure a comfortable and secure grip, reducing hand fatigue during long rallies. It also includes pickleballs, providing you with everything you need to start playing right away. Perfect for all skill levels, this pickleball paddle set offers an excellent combination of quality and affordability. Whether you're new to pickleball or an experienced player, this set provides the perfect equipment to enhance your game and enjoy hours of fun with friends and family. With its USAPA approval and fiberglass construction, it's a great choice for those looking to up their pickleball game. Number 3. Onyx Z5 Graphite. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is the perfect all-in-one solution for pickleball enthusiasts, offering a high-quality, affordable option for players of all skill levels. This bundle includes 2 paddles, 3 pickleballs, and a carrying bag, providing everything you need to get started or elevate your game. The Selkirk SLK Latitude paddle features a G4 graphite face and polymer RevCore technology, ensuring excellent performance on the court. The G4 graphite face offers a lightweight, durable surface that enhances ball control and power. Graphite's responsive nature ensures a solid feel with every shot, from powerful smashes to delicate dinks, making it an ideal choice for players who value both control and power. The polymer rev core construction inside the paddle provides a high level of responsiveness while maintaining a consistent and stable feel. This polymer core helps absorb the ball's impact, reducing vibration for a smoother playing experience, while still delivering ample power when needed. This technology makes the paddle suitable for all types of players, from beginners to advanced players, offering a forgiving yet powerful response. The set also includes 3 durable pickleballs, ensuring you have enough to play a few matches without needing to purchase extra balls. The carry bag is convenient for storing and transporting your paddles, balls, and any other accessories, making it easy to bring your gear to the court or on the go. Ideal for both men and women, the Selkirk Latitude Pickleball Bundle offers a great balance of quality and value, combining the benefits of high-performance paddles with the convenience of a complete set. Whether you're just starting or looking to upgrade your equipment, this bundle is a fantastic choice for pickleball players seeking durability, control, and a comfortable playing experience. Number 4. Paddletech Banttam TS5. The Onyx Graphite Z5 Pickleball Paddle is a top-tier choice for players seeking a balance of power, control, and comfort. Constructed with a high-quality graphite face and a durable carbon fiber core, this paddle is designed for players who want exceptional touch and feel on every shot. The graphite surface provides a sleek, responsive surface, allowing for better ball control, while the carbon fiber core enhances the paddle's strength and responsiveness, making it ideal for both beginners and advanced players. One of the standout features of the Onyx Graphite Z5 is its cushion comfort grip. This ergonomic handle design ensures a secure and comfortable hold, minimizing vibrations and reducing hand fatigue during extended play sessions. The grip's soft cushion material absorbs impact, which is particularly beneficial for players with sensitive hands or those who play for long durations. The grip's texture offers added control without sacrificing comfort, helping you maintain your performance throughout matches. Weighing between 7.4 to 7.8 ounces, the Onyx Graphite Z5 provides a balanced feel in hand, making it versatile for different playing styles. The paddle's medium-weight design allows for a combination of power and control, whether you're executing precise dinks or powerful smashes. It also features an optimized sweet spot that enhances its forgiveness on off-center hits, improving overall playability. Perfect for players who prioritize comfort and performance, the Onyx Graphite Z5 paddle with cushion comfort grip offers a premium playing experience. Whether you're playing recreationally or in competitive settings, this paddle's blend of technology, materials, and thoughtful design makes it a fantastic option for enhancing your game. Number 5. Jula Essential Pickleball. The Joola Stratos and Jula Essentials Pickleball paddles are both exceptional choices for players who value durability, performance, and comfort. Designed with reinforced fiberglass surfaces and a honeycomb polypropylene core, these paddles deliver a reliable and responsive playing experience for both beginners and intermediate players. The reinforced fiberglass surface enhances the paddle's power and durability, providing a strong, responsive feel when hitting the ball. This surface allows players to generate both control and speed, making it ideal for a variety of shots, from delicate dinks to powerful smashes. The honeycomb polypropylene core adds to the paddle's strength, offering a balanced combination of power and precision while ensuring a lightweight design for easy handling. Both paddles are USAPA approved, making them tournament ready and suitable for official play. Their versatility and forgiving design help players develop their skills as they improve. Whether you're just starting out or already have some experience, these paddles provide a great blend of control and power to help elevate your game. The comfortable grip on each paddle ensures a secure and ergonomic feel, reducing hand fatigue and providing a stable hold during long matches. The grip is designed to absorb vibrations, adding to the overall comfort, especially for players who enjoy extended play sessions. Both the Stratos and Essentials paddles are designed to be beginner-friendly but also offer the performance and durability required for competitive play. Their high-quality construction ensures that they will withstand heavy use while maintaining their integrity and providing a consistent playing experience. Whether you're casually enjoying the game or stepping up to more competitive play, the Joola Stratos and Essentials paddles are excellent options to consider.